Hello, I'm Lee from Data Harvest. In this video, I'm going to show you the rotary motion sensor. There's also other rotary motion sensor videos on pendulum, but this one's going to be on the conservation of angular momentum. You do need the accessory kit for this, so you can just buy the rotary motion sensor by itself, and there are some things you can do with that, but it's a huge advantage to have the accessory kit. Accessory kit will get you the pendulum with masses, as well as the two discs here, which I'm going to use for the momentum experiment. So I'm going to put the first one on, start it spinning, first one on that way round, start it spinning, double the mass and half the revs per second. So it's a really easy one to do. Now, all our Bluetooth sensors have Bluetooth built in and USB as standard and a rechargeable battery. So if you're using Windows, Apple, Mac or Chromebooks, you can use USB or Bluetooth. On iOS and Android, you can use Bluetooth quite happily. So to turn them on, you just hold that button down for 2 seconds. You'll see that is now starting to flash. So we'll pop that on there. So the disc's got some holes in, and there's little bits that stick up here to go into the holes. When I can actually do this, here we go. There we go. Right, so we're now on, so that will now spin freely around there. So what we do next is we go to the EasySense 2 software. It's a free download from all the appropriate app stores. Go to devices on the top left-hand corner. It will only pick up Data Harvest Bluetooth devices. Go and click connect. It will then connect to it. There's lots of different ranges that you can actually use within the rotary motion sensor. All the ones down to pendulum. And as I said, there's pendulum video already on the website as well. But for this experiment, we're just going to use angular velocity revs per second. That's absolutely fine. Go to graph. Now this experiment, I'm going to start it spinning. It's going to go up on the graph. We are then going to double the mass. These are the same masses, double the mass, and we're going to half the revs per second. And I'll show you that with the values on the experiment as well. So let's start it when it's actually not moving at all. That'd be quite nice to show. So we're on 0. We can now twist that round. Little bit of a trick, try to put about 4 fingers on it to drop it like this. Don't drop it too high from it either. Just go on. And on the software there, you can see it halves. Now, if I stop the software, go to Tools and go to Values, you can see right at the end just there, we were 2.8 revs per second. So therefore, 2.8, that's 2.2, brilliant eyesight. So it should go down to about 1.1, and there you go, it's 1.1 when I click on the second one just there. So it just proves it nice and easily. Now, there's lots more videos on all our Bluetooth sensors on the product pages on the website, but also on our Secondary Academy. To get to that, go to data-harvest.co.uk, go to the drop-down menu Teaching and click on Secondary Academy. The videos are broke down to 3 areas. The first one is how the Bluetooth sensors work. Second one is how you can use them in the experiments. And the third one is how the EasySense 2 software works. If you want more support from us, please just contact us here at sales@data-harvest.co.uk. Thank you.